welcome to my channel. I'm Subi and today we are going to make a kids special macarons which is loved by kids, and it's a basic macaron. It's not like any fancy ones, just a vanilla flavored, a simple macaron. And
This is so good.
Finish eating. Okay, let's see how to make it. Before getting into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notifications for further new updates. Ingredients, it's pretty simple. You just need 3 important items to make a plain macaron, and if you can add nuts it becomes nutty macarons. So the 3 egg whites, don't use the yolk, only the whites, and 150 grams of sugar powder and vanilla sugar. This is about 20 grams I'm going to use. And if you want to reduce the sugar based on your interest, because if you'd like to have more, then it's better to reduce the sugar. And I'm going to add some nuts. These are almonds and pistachio. It's not grounded, you can see it's just crushed. First thing is just separating the yolk. Three egg whites, 20 grams of vanilla sugar, 150 grams of sugar. The important thing is done. You have a wonderful texture of the dough. So the next step is adding the nuts to it and give a firm mix. Try not to break the texture. It's done. Use a baking paper, and if you want to add some shapes, you can also use some shaping cones for making the shapes, but I'm just adding a normal macaron. So there is a company that makes macarons in the shape of little ducks, and it cutely adds some nuts to the eyes. Something like this. You can add some nut to its eyes and it looks like a beautiful duck. I'm trying, but soft, nutty and crispy macarons are now ready. I believe your kids will enjoy it, and if you like the video, do subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Bye! Bye!